So today we'll be unboxing the Arealer Calf Massager. Hey, what's up? Adrian here with the Unboxed, bringing you tech unbox and reviews. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. And hey, at any point during this video, check out the show notes and links in the description below. I list all the details and everything else I forgot. And also, don't forget to smash the like button. And let's jump into this unbox. Jump into this unbox. I'll grab my usual unboxing cutter and let's unbox this calf massager. I love this. Okay, let's put this on the side and let's open this. Okay, so the user manual, everything you need to know, put it on the side in case you need it. Oh, we have a small box here. Okay, let's see what's inside this small box. Some cables. I see some cables. So we have a remote control and some cables. Oh yes, I see USB-C. Okay, put this box on the side, put these cables on the side, and let's open this. It looks good, it feels good. Okay, let's put this on the side and let's take everything out. What else is inside? Okay, one by one. Whoa. So this one has USB-C as well. Okay, let's see the other one as well. This one on the side. This one from inside. So you just use it on your hands or on your feet. Looks like a big piece of plastic inside, and this is gonna pump some air somehow, right? Okay, let's see. Let's put the box on the side. And let's put this here. This one. Let's open this one as well. Interesting stuff. But I am wondering if this has USB-C and this one has USB-C. How do we connect it? Look! Yes! That's good. That's interesting. Okay, let's try this. One here and one on the other one. Okay, let's connect all of them with this. In, and nothing. Probably no battery. We should probably charge this. Charging instructions. Is this the only thing that charges? Okay, so we select a random charging port. The LED indicator will flash when charging and will automatically turn off. We'll have to charge this. Okay, so this has been charging for a while. I'm really curious if it's working or not. Apparently not. Maybe not enough juice. Okay, so that's why you keep the manual. Unless you figure out yourself, you can check the manual. So you have to press for 1.5 seconds. Oh, and you can hear now. It works. Interesting. I'll turn it off now and we'll connect both together, and then I'm gonna try a massage on me. .5 seconds. Connected. Yes. Oh, so it's like on zones. I have to try it now. So I'm gonna try them now on my hands, because you actually can. Let's see. I think it's a bit hard to... You might need someone to help you with this. I'm really curious if it's nice or not. Okay, one is done. How about the other? Look, I can't even move my hand. Look at this. Okay, the next one. Too many cables. Okay. All right, now the moment of the truth. It's on. Yes. It's quite interesting. It actually is interesting. Nice. Let's try something different. The green mode. Oh. This one is squeezing a lot. Okay, next one. The blue mode. Oh, so this blue mode has moved from here to here. So green is just here. Blue is just here. I mean, mostly. Let's try another one. Oh, back to red. Red is all over. Yes. The U doesn't want to sit from the Unboxed. You sit. How about more intensity? We are on green intensity. Back to white. Is it just two intensities? White and green. Okay, let's try green green. It is squeezing a lot. Oh, too much squeezing. Okay, that's enough. Green blue. I mean, switch to the top. The one that I like the most is like all over. So it's the red one, and it can be more intense. So you have like a normal intensity and then a bit more intensity, which is it squeezes you more. And then you have massage all over, and then just in the front and just in the back. So red is all over, then green is just on the back here, and blue is just on the front, And then white, I mean the lights. White is low intensity, green is the highest intensity that you can get. It seems interesting to me that you just have to charge this small controller. I think the battery it's quite small in this one. I don't know how many minutes you can massage it with, but we'll see in the future. I'm gonna try it now on my feet. Off. Okay, so let's try on the feet now. Interesting. It feels good. Yes, so it feels nice. I'm definitely going to reuse this one as well, to relax, to chill. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you with this video. Don't forget to click the links in the description below if you want to buy the Arealer Calf Massager from Arealer, and see you on the next one.